reviewing this LEVOIT humidifier. Works really, really well. Easy top fill design. If you can tell, it's putting out the max amount of humidity right now. Runs very quietly. This knob gives you control how much you want it to put out. To give perspective, when I put it on max and fill it to the very top, right about here, or even here sometimes, it will run for about 8 to 9 hours. I'll put it on before bed and it's still running in the morning with just a little bit of water left. So easy to run all night. This lid just lifts. You can see where that comes out. Easy to fill. This part, just take off the lid and then take out and fill. And manufacturer does not recommend, I think, putting oil directly into the water. However, I have added a couple drops of lemongrass to my water and have had no problems whatsoever with this running smoothly. I've had it for about 6 months. Great investment, wonderful item. Here's my hand for scale and just a better view of it. Great little device.
Small ones, and I love them. I bought this particular humidifier because of the size, how easy it is to use, how quiet it is. And it comes with a 2-year warranty. You just have to sign up with a QR code and you'll find the batch number and the model number underneath it. So make sure you look at that and do that before you set it up with the water and everything in it. But this is at half max. And that's at full. Be sure to use filtered water. It's on the back. Information is on the back for you. I set aside my manual and everything just in case I needed it. And this nice little machine comes with 2 filters and it's easy to set up. I just got it and I set it up in less than 5 minutes. So if you're debating on what humidifier to get, go with LEVOIT. You can't go wrong. Hope I'm pronouncing it right.
Play Misty for me.
Electra, play Misty for me.
Playing Your Face by Roberta Flack from the album Mark Downloads.
The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and the stars were the gifts you gave to the dark.
So I purchased this LEVOIT, I believe that's how you say it, but LEVOIT humidifier, just because we needed a little extra humidity upstairs during the winter, and I really like it. So it is, you can see at the top there are all the controls. There's also a very small remote control that you can use, and this top part comes off, and then you put the water down in there, and you can see you can fill it all the way to up here. So when I fill it to the max at 10 liters, I can usually get at least a day or two, definitely more than a day, maybe more like 2 days on max. And the other thing that I really like about it is that the sensor is really good. So I've noticed that the sensor is very consistent with the sensor on our thermostat in terms of the humidity level. So This is a 10 out of 10. I would definitely buy this again.
In a 720 square foot apartment with the app set to absolute max. This thing struggles to get to 40, to be honest, but it struggles. It struggles.
Les quiero compartir algo que en verdad nos ha ayudado en casa. Mi hijo sufre de alergias y con la calefacción sus vías respiratorias se resecan bastante. Probamos este humidificador y desde la primera semana hemos notado la diferencia. Es silencioso, fácil de limpiar y mantiene el ambiente húmedo toda la noche y mi hijo puede dormir.
забери свою, да, вот. Забери. Давай, забирай.